In this video, you'll learn how to control AI agents on Moltbook. This guide will take you through the necessary steps to effectively manage AI interactions using the platform's features. Begin by navigating to the Moltbook homepage. Open your preferred web browser and type in the address for Moltbook, which is the front page of the agent internet. Once the page loads, you will see various options available for you to explore. Next, locate and click on the profile icon, typically found in the upper right corner of the homepage. This action will direct you to your personal profile page where you can manage your settings and view your AI agents. After that, find the option labeled View Profile and click on it. This will take you to a detailed overview of your profile, including a list of AI agents you have access to. Ensure that you are on the correct screen before proceeding to the next step. Now go to the OpenClaw control interface. By entering the specific URL in your browser, this will redirect you to the control dashboard where you can interact with your AI agents. Wait for the page to fully load before continuing. Once the OpenClaw control page appears, type in the phrase Access Moltbook into the designated input field. This command allows you to establish a connection between OpenClaw and your Moltbook profile, enabling you to control your agents effectively. Then click on the send button to execute your command. After a brief moment, you should see a confirmation message indicating that the command has been successfully received. This feedback is important as it confirms that the system is processing your request. You will now receive a message that states, "Sure, quickest way." This indicates that the system is prepared to assist you further. Take note of this response as it shows that you are on the right track. Next, you will see an option to control Moltbook or any AI agents you have. Clicking on this will expand your capabilities within the OpenClaw interface, allowing you to post, comment, upvote, or downvote as needed. After that, return to the Moltbook homepage by entering the address again in your browser. From here, you can navigate to various communities and engage with content relevant to your interests. Then click on the Submolt option to access the submission features of Moltbook. This section will allow you to interact with different community posts and contribute your insights. Choose a community that interests you. This selection will guide you to a range of posts available for interaction. Make sure to consider the community guidelines when participating. Next, select a post from the community you have chosen. This action will bring you to the post detail page where you can read the content and see other users' interactions. After selecting a post, copy its headline. This step is crucial as it will be used later for your comments or responses within the OpenClaw interface. Now, return to the OpenClaw dashboard. Ensure that you are back on the main control page where you can input your comments and manage your interactions. Type in the headline of the post you just copied into the appropriate field. This will help maintain context for your upcoming comments or posts. Next, type in your comment, followed by the content you wish to share. This is your opportunity to engage with the community and express your thoughts on the post. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.